Hi, today I'm going to make kuih, which is a Malaysian sort of cake, and it's called Kuih Lapis. Kuih Lapis means layer cake, and in Chinese it's Kao Chan Kuih, which means 9-layer cakes. Hi, I'm Loretta Lee, Nyonya Recipe. Nyonya Recipe is a fine place for fabulous food, and I share with you my food journey in the UK. So don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you can be informed of all the videos that I upload. So today is Kuih Day. So we're going to make a Malay Kuih, and it's also considered as Nyonya as well. So let's see how many layers can I make, and is it exactly 9 layers? I'm not sure, so let's go and see. The ingredients we need for the Kuih Lapis or Kao Chan Kuih is 100 grams of rice flour, 100 grams of tapioca flour, 400 ml of coconut milk. I don't have fresh, so I use canned. 300 ml of water, 250 grams of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We also need 2 pandan leaves, which I have shredded, torn and tied into a knot. Okay, we're going to boil the pandan leaf together with the water. So the water is boiling now. Add the sugar, and then we boil till the sugar dissolves. Now the sugar has dissolved, I'm going to add coconut milk. Add in the salt, 1/4 teaspoon, and we cook it and bring it to the boil. So it's boiling now. We're going to turn the heat off, and then we're going to remove the pandan leaf because the pandan leaf is actually for flavor. I've mixed the 2 flour together, and now the coconut and sugar syrup is cool, so we're going to mix it. Let's strain it. What I've done is I've separated it into 2 parts. One is like 500, this one is about 400. So this one will be the pink and this one will be the white. And I've used this cup measurement about 100 ml each. So that should be about 9 layers. This is the first layer that I've put in. Okay. So I'm pouring the second layer. I'm going to do the pink layer again, so I'm going to stir it very well and then pour it into the measuring cup. Then we're going to lift it up, pour it down. Yeah, the edges is a bit not so good. Okay, another 4 minutes. Here is, we're going to put the final layer, which is layer number 9. There you go. Mambo number 5. Mambo number 9. There you go. The last layer. So the alarm has gone. Let's switch it off. And this is the final result. We have to cool it down for a few hours before we can cut it. Looks good. Mine is a loose bottom tin, so I need to put this thing here. So this is our Kuih Lapis, which is cool down. Here it is. Ooh, nice lapis. Here is the Kuih Lapis or layer cake. So it's really nicely done. So let's now go and cut it. You need to wet the knife with some water. Okay. So here is the Kuih Lapis. It's got many layers. To be honest, it's not 9 layers, it's 11 layers. But anyway, it's a kuih, so it's gluten-free, made from rice and tapioca flour. Good. And I used to peel it up and eat it layer by layer when I was a little girl. That's the fun of eating it. So I hope you enjoy watching me doing the layer cake, which is not so difficult. It just takes some time, extra time to do the layers. So until the next time, don't forget to click like and hit the subscribe button so that you'll be informed of all the videos that I upload. And don't forget to share if you find my video is informative and fun. Alright then, till the next time, see you again. Bye. Bye. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. Bye.